Hey everyone, today we will be doing the partial and residual payment in this particular video. So let's see what's the difference between these two things. So first of all, let's generate an invoice. For this we need to go to FB60. Okay, I have already done the required configuration needed for it. This is my vendor and GL purchase account, let's say for 70,000. Simulate purchase account debit to Chayos Limited, post it. Okay, let's see the line item entry. For this we need to go to account, FBL1N, execute. Okay, so you can see it is here 70,000 and document number is 19002 and it's an open item. Okay, so first let's do the partial payment of 30k, and this is how we'll see the difference between these two. Okay, F-53 and path is accounts payable, document entry, outgoing payment, F-53. Document date, okay, and select the bank account from which you need to make the payment. Out of 70, first I am making the payment of 30k. Value date is required if it includes bank. To which vendor I need to make the payment, selected Chayos Limited, account type is K for vendor, and process open item. Alright, so here we have you are seeing these different types: standard, partial, residual. Okay, so I am making the partial payment here. Go over there, partial payment. If you see here, not assigned amount is showing as 80k. First let me deselect this one. Okay, this is my another document. So this was the vendor invoice which I had generated just now for 70k, but the not assigned amount is showing as 40k. It should be 0. What I'll do, just double click on this. It will automatically reflect your payment amount which you are making for the partial payment. Okay, or you can manually type it as well. Now not assigned amount is 0. You are good to go and post the invoice. Okay, document 1503 posted in company code. Now let me show you this. Need to go to account, FBL1N, select all items. Okay, this was my original document for 70k and I made the payment for 30k. So where is that document? KZ, here it is, KZ, 30k. And if you notice, it is still reflecting as an open item. Okay, now let's make another payment for residual. Document entry, account. Okay, after 53. Now I am making the payment. What is remaining? Let's make it for 15k. Okay, account. Process open items. Okay. Alright. Go to this residual items. First deselect the first document. Alright. Again, not assigned amount should be 0. Double click on this. Wait a minute. I was making the payment for 15k. Alright, so 25 is remaining. You just need to double click on this one, residual items. Okay, now if you see here, the not assigned amount is 0, 25 is left. Okay, I generated an invoice of 70k. Okay, in the first half I paid 30,000, and in the second I am making a payment of 15k, but it is done through the residual item. Now you will see the difference here. First post this invoice. Okay, document this 1504 generated. Let me go to the FBL1M. Where is account? All items. Just a minute. Vendor account, company code. Okay. 70k was total amount invoice, out of which 30 was paid.